Hi guys, welcome back to this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can download videos from Pinterest. So as you know, in Pinterest now we can watch videos of like recipes or anything in the form of videos instead of pictures. And if you want to save it, I'm going to show you how. So first, I'm going to just go to the watch tab to see the videos, and you can just choose which of the video that you want to save. For example, I want to save this one, so just click on the three dots icon and then click on the copy link, and then go to your browser and find the Pinterest downloader. Okay, this one. And here there are so many options. You can just choose which one of these webs that you want to use. For example, I want to use the first one, so here you can just paste the tabs in here. But I'm going to first, before you paste the link, you need to open it in your browser. So click on the new tab and paste the link in your browser like this, and it will be open. So the link that you need to copy and paste in the Pinterest video downloader is this one. So you just need to copy it and then go back to the downloader page, and here paste the link, click on download, and just wait until the video appear. Okay, so here is the video that I want to save, and just click on this three dot icon, or you can also click on this too and click on download. Okay, so that's basically it. That's all from me. If you enjoyed the video, please give me a like and smash the subscribe button down there, and also don't forget to leave a comment, and last, please click on the thanks below. I'll really appreciate that. That's it for me today. See you guys next time.